Hey, what's up guys? I'm doing the Vol.5 trial deck. I'm Dragoborne Hunter, and so yeah, I'll be opening up this for you guys. So this is the last trial deck, as far as I know, uh, for right now. I don't know if they'll be making any more, but, this is the last one that I know of. So, let's go and open this up, and see what all it comes with. This was one of the more ones I was excited for, just because I really like the art on that card. It's really quite amazing. So, yeah. And then it does come with a foil as well, and then it comes with the rulebook and the playmat. So that comes with all the trial decks. So. But I'll give you guys a closer look at the card. So this is actually pretty good, and a multicolor deck. So I'll set that aside, and then throw this over to the side as well. So I was more excited for the dice on this one than the any deck, because I really like the clear see-through green dice. That looks really quite awesome. So I can't wait to use these. So I'll set those over to the side. And then now for the deck. So you get two of him. So I'll show you the effect, and then the name, and then so this is green white or green yellow. So name and then effect, and then you get 4 of him, her. I think it's more of a guy on that card. So let me zoom in. And then you get 4 of her. And then Darkbane Priest. You get 4 of this. And then Sanctuary Squire. You get, it's just a vanilla, and you get 4. Yeah. And then Answered Prayer. And you get 2 of this. So. And then I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. But you get 4 of this. And then I'm not going to try to pronounce like the first name, but Blessed by Fairies. And you get 2 Fearful Sprite. This almost looks like a art from, what's that movie? Can't think of it now. I can't think of the movie right at the moment. But this almost looks like exactly something from that. So you get 2 of her, and then Favored Scholar, and you get 2 of him, and then you get 2 of Nimble Outrider, and then Chroma Gear Paladin. You get 4 of him, and then Dauntless Lancer. You get 2 of her. Nope, you get 4. Alright, and then Untested Scout. Get 4 of him. And then I'm not gonna try to pronounce the first name, but it's Sultan Archer. And you get 4 of her or him, whichever one. And then Clint's. This card's actually really quite good too. This helps to destroy ambush cards, so that's really quite good. And then you get 2 green and a yellow banner. So, but yeah, so that's basically it for the last trial deck. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for multiple deck files on the way. So, yeah, so thanks for watching. And I will catch y'all in the deck profiles. So, yep, there you guys.